Okay, college algebra folks, this is a problem like in homework set 5.4, 5.5, like number 9. I thought I would do it, I got asked to do it in our example, so I thought I would do so. So we're given this big old polynomial, and they tell us one of the zeros is 3 plus I. So now the neat thing about complex numbers is if 3 plus I is a 0, then 3 minus I, the conjugate, also has to be a 0. So if I were to factor this part, I get x minus my 3 plus I. Just like if one of my solutions was 4, x minus 4 would be one of my factors. And then I do x minus 3 minus I as the other factor, right? Now I can't divide that out like we've been doing when they give us a factor or a number because there's an I in it. So I struggle to do it. So I'm going to FOIL this out, and hopefully that gets rid of my i's. I think it will. Distribute that negative through to both. Distribute that negative through to both. FOIL. So I get x squared minus 3x plus 3i. FOIL. Minus 3x plus 9 minus 3i, and then my i's has to hit each one, right? Minus xi plus 3i minus I squared. Yikers, that's a lot. Alright, hopefully some stuff cancels and my i's go away. So 3i and negative 3i go away. Where's my other xi? I have a negative xi. Oh, right here, that was supposed to be an xi. My bad. Xi. Negative xi, and there's my 3i's that cancel. That should have been an xi when I pulled it out. It's my third time doing the problem, so I keep erroring. Alright. So I'm left with x squared minus 6x. Don't forget I squared is negative 1. So it becomes a plus 1. Plus 10. So again, I FOILed out my i's, alright? Now we got this, what do we do with it? Well, what did we do before when we knew factor? We divided it by the piece we knew, right? So, let's do it. So I'm going to take, this is long division. Again, my long division video was very short, not very good. Watch Dr. Webster has a better one. I'm going to divide my original function, or the one I'm trying to factor, the one I'm trying to find zeros, by that one. I'm running out of room. I'll take it out. That wasn't going to work. What was that beast? Yard. Alright, how many times does x to the fourth, or does x squared go into x to the fourth? Well, x squared times. Right? And then I distribute that x squared to both of them, to all the pieces. So you get x to the fourth minus 6x cubed plus 10x squared. Change all my signs because I'm subtracting it. Cancel, cancel, good. So I get 4x squared. Bring down my 24x and 40. Alright. What times x squared equals 4x squared? Well, 4. Oh, I'm sorry, that's a negative 4. So negative 4 minus 4. So negative 4 times x squared is negative 4x squared. Negative 4 times 6 is positive 24. It's working. Minus 40. Change all my signs and they cancel. Good, I had a remainder 0. That's very important. It's good to see. So, that means x squared minus 4 is what's left when I pull out the x squared minus 6x plus 10. We know what pieces make that 0. Okay? It's the two i's, the 3 plus I, 3 minus I. Now what pieces make that 0? Well, I get x squared equals 4. So x equals plus or minus 2, right? Whenever I square root to salute, I get 2 answers. So these are my 4 solutions to that problem. Now be careful, the one in the homework, I'm pretty sure you have to quadratic it once you get the i's out, okay? So just remember, once you get into a quadratic, you can quadratic equation it, you can factor it, try all the tools in your toolbox. Hopefully that helped.